Nice van. Needs a lift kit. Give Larry a call. Happy Sunday. Do you have a lifted van build that you're wanting to take out for the very first time? Or just an adventure junkie seeking the next adventure? I have a couple of van meets coming up. First meet of the year. The most haunted road in California, Proctor Valley Road. This is going to be August 24. I'm in San Diego and I have several San Diego friends with the lifted van build or wanting to lift their van, so this is an easy meet. And even if you're not in San Diego, if you want to stop by in San Diego, hang out for a day if you're not too far away. First meet of the year right here, August 24. More details later. The main event to end the year, the big lifted van meet, middle of nowhere camping, November 2 and 3, Saturday and Sunday, Anza Borrego. More details on that later. Most of you guys have 40 Econolines, and we have all kinds of options for two-wheel drive lifts and four-wheel drive conversions, action van suspension and weld tech. For two-wheel drive lifts, Ford Parts 1's a two-wheel drive spacer lift, RTZ, 4x4 conversions, there's U-joint and Quigley. GM vans, you also have Quigley, you have Boulder Off-Road, and then for the minivans and Euro vans, there's Journeys Off-Road. So I want to see them all. I want to see all lifted vans at this meet. Call Larry. Here's the view in a full-size lifted van. You look right over FJ Cruisers. Needs a lift kit. This is a lifted van meet, but you don't need a lifted van to join us. You don't even need a van to join us. A lot of my friends here on YouTube with lifted vans, a lot of them have or had performance cars. Some came from the rock crawling world. I see this thing every time I head to work, so I wanted to film here today. There you go, true off-road vehicle right here. I take this over pretty much most modern off-road trucks. Perfect approach and departure angle. Wonder what this thing costs. Piece of cake. And go down slowly. So my philosophy with off-roading is not to beat the vehicle up, but to explore like I'm doing right now. Slow motion. I'm going 10 miles per hour. This is what I enjoy about off-roading. Because at the end of the day, this van spends most of its time on pavement. So, you know, it's mostly a freeway cruiser versus an off-road machine. But when there's an opportunity to off-road, you take it. And it's capable